Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 6th. Subject Social Studies, Chapter 1 History, Indus Valley Civilization. Written work, and I am Tabinda Humayun. Students, today we are going to start our written work in the copies. On the very first page, you have to write midterm at the center of the page. Okay, students, now turn the page, write down the serial number and date, and give the heading of alphabets, then capital letters with your markers. Then you have to write all the capital letters, and at the end, you have to draw a finishing line and also draw a margin line at the side of your copy. On next page, you have to write again the serial number, the date, then the heading with your marker, the heading of small letters. Then you have to write all the small letters and then at the end draw a finishing line. Okay, students, then on next page, write serial number, date, and draw margin line. Then write sky letters, grass letters, and root letters, and draw finishing line after each of them. Now give the heading of contents. These are the contents of your midterm syllabus. We have 2 chapters in our history section and 2 chapters in our geography section. Chapter number 1 in history is Indus Valley Civilization. This chapter is also included in your monthly tests. Chapter number 2, the Aryan Era. In geography section, we have chapter number 1, major land features, and chapter number 2, landscape of Pakistan. Now we will start with our history section, give the heading of history. Then on another page, give the heading of chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter, Indus Valley Civilization. The heading must be with your markers. Contents are words meanings 5, fill in the blanks 5, take the right answer 5, match the columns 4, short question answers 7, and long question answers 5. Now on another page, you have to give the heading of chapter number 1, Indus Valley Civilization, again with your marker. The first content is words meaning. Number 1, civilization, tehzeeb tamaddun. Number 2, valley, wadi. Number 3, monuments, yadgar. Number 4, excavate, khodna. Number 5, contemporary, hum asar. Now you have to draw a finishing line at the end of words meanings. Now on another page, you have to give the heading of fill in the blanks. Number 1, the Indus Valley civilization lived for about 1000 years. Number 2, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are 720 kilometers away from each other. Number 3, experts think that the people of the Indus Valley civilization used to worship god or goddesses. Number 4, our Indus Valley civilization has many similarities with present day Hinduism. Number 5, man and woman used to wear gold, silver, copper, and stone ornaments. And now at the end, you have to draw a finishing line. Now on next page, we have to write another question, that is take the right answer. We have 3 options for these sentences and we have to choose one of them. Number 1 is which animal was important in the Indus Valley civilization? The options are horse, the mule, the cow, and the correct option is the cow. Sentence number 2. In which country most of the Indus Valley civilization area is situated? Options China, USA, and Pakistan. The correct option is Pakistan. Number 3. What was needed by the people of the Indus Valley civilization for transport? Options the aeroplane, the train, and the bull cart. And the correct option is the bull cart. Number 4. When did the Indus Valley civilization ended? The options are 3000 years BC, 1500 BC, and a third option is 500 BC. The correct option is 1500 BC. Number 5, which civilization came after Indus Valley civilization? The options are Arabic civilization, Bengali civilization, and the Aryan civilization. And the correct option is Aryan civilization. Now mark a finishing line at the end of these sentences. We have matched the columns now. We have to write the match the columns on another page. Draw 3 lines and make 3 columns that will be column A, column B, and column C. The first word for column A is Larkana, number 2, experts, number 3, Sahiwal, and number 4, ruins. We have some options for these: Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, excavation, and archaeological site. In column C, we have to write the correct answers. Number 1 is Mohenjo-daro, number 2, excavation, number 3, Harappa, and number 4, an archaeological expert and an archaeological site. You have to draw finishing line at the end. Okay, we have now short question answers. Give the heading of short question answers on another page with your markers. You have to write the questions with your markers also. Question number 1 is, what is history? Give the heading of history. The answer is, history is the study of the important events of the past, or history is a branch of knowledge which preserves a record of past events and analyzes them. You have to mark a finishing line. Question number 2, which area is called Indus Valley? The answer is, the Indus Valley was situated in the area of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Right, draw a finishing line. Question number 3, in which district Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are situated? The answer is, Mohenjo-daro was situated at district Larkana and Harappa at district Sahiwal. Now draw a finishing line. Question number 4 is, how old the Indus Valley civilization? The Indus Valley civilization is about 5,000 years ago. Draw a finishing line. Question number 5, beside Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, in which other areas the ruins of the Indus Valley civilization are found? Answer is, beside Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, the other areas of Indus Valley civilization includes Mehergarh, Balochistan, and Rahman Deri, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Draw a finishing line. Question number 6. What type of bricks were used by the people of Indus Valley civilization in building houses? The answer is, baked bricks were used by the people of Indus Valley civilization in building houses and construction. Draw a finishing line. Now, question number 7 is, what are the smallest unit of measurement of length at Harappa? The answer is, in Harappa, ivory, hathi ke dant, was used for measuring length, and its smallest unit was approximately 1.704 millimeter. Now, draw a finishing line at the end. Now give the heading of long question answer on another page with your marker. Question number 1 is, discuss the social life of Indus Valley civilization. You have to write the question with your markers also. Give another heading for the question, social life of Indus Valley civilization. Objects and things founded from the ruins of Indus Valley give very little information about the social life of those people. Archaeological experts have found human skulls, sculptures, clay toys, and some other things. From these excavations, we can have a guess that those people were peace loving and used to hatred quarrels and fights. Mutual cooperation, unity, and equality was their way of life. They used to wear cotton cloth, and men and women used to wear ornaments. Now draw a finishing line at the end of the question. Question number 2. Write a note on commercial system of the Indus Valley civilization. Give the heading of commercial system. In old times, Mohenjo-daro was a commercial center. Those people had constructed stores and godowns in their cities. They were quite rich and prosperous because they were traders. There was internal and foreign trade as well. The people were very good in making different ornaments. People had bull carts in their use. Barter trade was used between two valleys. Stone seals were used as standard security and guarantee for business. Simple system for measurement was adopted. Now draw a finishing line. Question number 3. Write a note on town planning and architecture of Indus Valley. Give the heading of town planning. The answer is, the civilization lived for about 1000 years. Their cities were well planned. Those people were aware of their hygiene. There was proper arrangements of sewerage and drainage. Roads and streets were kept wide and open. Buildings like schools, places of worship, and palaces were constructed on suitable location. Now give another heading of architecture. The ruins of civilization shows that the people were experts in architecture. They used baked bricks in their construction and floors of their houses were made of those bricks. Now draw a finishing line at the end. Question number 4. Describe the cause of the downfall and decline of Indus Valley civilization. The answer is the active period of Indus Valley civilization was between 2500 to 1500 BC. Now give the heading of causes of downfall. Number 1 is a new nation Aryans invaded and destroyed this civilization. Number 2, floods destroyed fertile lands. Number 3, infectious diseases killed all the people. Number 4, some environmental changes and deforestation was also the cause of the downfall. Now draw a finishing line at the end. Question number 5. Were the people of Indus Valley civilization peace loving? Describe in detail. The answer is the Indus Valley civilization was peace loving civilization. The trade was in progress and the people were prosperous, which was not possible without peace. It seems that those people had a great unity among them. They were peace loving people. Now draw the ending line at the end. This is the end of written work of chapter number 1. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.